should be just about done recovering. Alright, we're under full vac. Now it'll and suck in, and then we'll have to vac it again after it gets that out. And clean it.
Okay, now we need a little bitty bolt.
What size?
A little.
A bolt?
Yeah, so we can thread it in and then pull that thing out.
Ah, got it out. There's shiny stuff. And there's shiny stuff. And then put it to the inside. Yeah, you can see all the crap in the filter, so.
She's shiny!
I think we got a compressor blowed up.
Yeah.
It's the only way you get metal in there. Metal all over it. Everywhere. So we need to get a compressor and a kit.
Yep.
Okay. Whoa. Now we gotta put all this back together. Extra parts.
Oh, you have your new snap ring.
Yeah.
Put it
And this one's metal, the original was plastic. And you can see through this one. He just put the white sock thing in there. There's the old one. Gotta put this truck back together. I did not record us tearing it down. We'll record putting it back together. Alright, so right now we're just letting it cycle and run. It's taking 3 pounds for the factory charge and only 2.7 in, but my pressures still need to equalize a little bit. I'm wondering if that, there's a orifice tube back, or the orifice tube down there, expansion valve's bad. But it's cooling. We're gonna try it.